Directors come up to us, you actually have taken method acting to a different level. You're being Vela non-stop. Don't take it to that level. Also, we have to shoot the shot next. It's like until you fail 4 years, don't talk to us. Carry this, do that. We are not going to listen to you. The producer wants a return at the end of the day. Until they see that return, they will not take that risk and they won't put that money on you. Look at Dad, he's still fighting. He's a fighter. There's a fighter in you. So use that criticism, fuel it into you, and come back 300 times stronger.
Warm welcome to Telechakkar Karan. Also, congratulations on your second movie.
Thank you.
And I would like to know what's the story of Vele and how did you really start with it?
The story of Vele, basically, I don't want to reveal too much, but I'll give you a gist of it. There are 3 Velas. One is me, the other is Rambo, the third is Raju. Me and Rambo are best friends, and we both have failed 12th 4 times. We think that we are studs, but we're not. We're the kind of laughing stock of the school, but we think, we the people who run the stuff in the school. Raju is a junior. He's only failed 2 years, so we don't give him much respect. So we disrespect him at every given opportunity. So it's like until you fail 4 years, don't talk to us. Carry this, do that. We are not going to listen to you. So he's the junior of the group. So we 3 basically, whenever we think of something, we don't think of 3 steps ahead. So we'll do this, but we don't think of the repercussions that will come from doing that action. So then we just enjoy school. We don't study much. We do everything besides studying. Then Anya's character, who is Ria in the film, she comes into the picture. She's the principal's daughter. And then when she comes to school, things kind of take a twist. And then when you see the film, you will come to know. Because there are a lot of other characters that are there in the film, which you will see their place in the story once you see the film on the 10th of December.
So, in the first movie, we saw you in a very different character, which was actually a lover boy character.
Yeah.
So, now how different do you feel about this one?
This character is completely different here. This character, I thoroughly enjoyed playing this character, portraying this character, because I would say he's 50% like me. Obviously, I have not failed the 12th 4 times. I would have been chucked out of home if that was the case. So, in school, we've all not. I'm sure even you, everyone during that age have done loads of stuff because you're just living in the moment. I would give all credit to Devin sir, the director, because he sat and we did a pre-prep work with the script and the dialogues for 2-3 months before we went down onto floors. So when we went to shoot, we were just playing with scenes, being spontaneous, because we all knew what our character was, what our mannerisms was, and what we were in the given situation. So there was a lot of fun because we were feeding off each other, and all 4 of them were brilliant actors. Like, they pushed me to be a better performer and they supported me throughout the process, and they kind of became friends for life for me. So I made a lot of new friends on this filming process.
So, I would like to know that any tips or tricks you got from the elders at your place, like the family members, you got any tips for the character?
I think no, this time they just let me be. So they let me go and just do my own thing. So they basically said a person has to learn from his own mistakes. Until you learn from your own mistakes, you cannot move ahead. And in life, you'll keep on making mistakes. None of us are perfect, but you'll keep on growing. And as actors, we're always growing on a day-to-day basis. Our growth never stops. Basically, you are your own tool and you can only make yourself better by practicing on yourself and working hard, because there is no substitute to hard work.
What all the pranks did you actually played on the set, and what was the equation with the co-stars?
Basically, we all used to chill together only in between shots in my van. So all 4 of us used to be in my van chilling. Once Savant was dancing on the chair fell down and broke. And I was recording the video. He's like, are you going to stop recording the video and come pick me up? I said, yeah, I will. Let me stop it now. And I picked him up. There were various things like in between when there were shots, me, Vishesh, Savant, we were playing Ludo. Directors come up to us, you actually have taken method acting to a different level. You're being Vela non-stop. Don't take it to that level. Also, we have to shoot the shot next. You guys better be ready. I said, no, sir, we obviously were ready for it. And there were various things. Yeah, we thought one day there was one shot. We thought we'll do it differently. But shooting was a little bit stressed because we needed to finish that shot. So we didn't go through to it. There were many pranks we used to plan, but unsuccessfully we didn't really go through them. There was one day where we were doing a driving shot. I told Sawan, continue driving. I said, continue driving, take it into that corner, make them seem ki we've gone back to the hotel. So I said, one AD came running behind over there into the corner ki kidhar gaya ye? Then we found, then I told him, then eventually we came back on the spot.
We have seen you in a lover boy image. We have seen you now doing comic. What is your dream role as per your requirement, as per your craft?
Me as an actor, I believe until the script excites you and the character excites you, you cannot do justice to the role. So that's firstly what should grab you. There's no fixed genre in my mind. I would love to do all things because that's the reason that we became an actor in the first place, is to portray different characters you can't in your day-to-day life. So hopefully, like obviously I enjoy action films, and hopefully a subject comes across my way that does justice to the character and script.
So what would you like to say, since you are a son of Sunny Deol and there has lot been talks about the same?
So basically my first film didn't go as planned. I've come out with a film now after 2 years. So it's difficult for me to find work also because you're treated like a product. So until a product is sellable, no one is going to invest money in you. Because the producer wants a return at the end of the day. Until they see that return, they will not take that risk and they won't put that money on you. So it's your own period of time, the way you deal with things. Because obviously we expected a lot of Pulpal and it didn't happen, and I went into a different zone. But I thought to myself is like, obviously do not ever give up. No one in the house has given up, and our line of work is such that was only the beginning. You have ups and downs. Okay, I started at a down. There's only one way from here, that is to go up. Accept your mistakes, accept your weaknesses, work on them. Look at dad, he's still fighting. He's a fighter. There's a fighter in you. So use that criticism, fuel it into you, and come back 300 times stronger.
Well said, Karan. I truly appreciate that attitude towards life. Also, I would like to know, social media trolling a lot. Social media is one of the medium that is connecting you through to the audience directly and to your fans. But then there's a lot of trolling also happening. How do you manage negativity around you in day-to-day life?
I laugh it off here. Everyone's entitled to their opinion. You're entitled to your personal opinion. We live in the world with so many people. So you're entitled to your opinion, but I'm not going to let it pull me down. Because why should I do that? Why should I let it mentally affect me at the end of the day? So at home, I just laugh it off.
Yes, and at the end of the day, you have to take care of your mental health.
No, that is very important, because you cannot go into that zone and start harming yourself. Because look, we all are human beings. We have our strengths and weaknesses. No one is perfect on this earth. No one is God's gift on this earth. But you have to be confident in yourself. You have to respect yourself and you have to love yourself.
Well, who's your real critique, or you see one such person who's actually behind you with every detail and everything he points out or she points out about you? That
those are my friends from school, because they've been from me with day one. And they don't sugarcoat anything. They were there with me during my bad times. They were there with me during my good times. And I respect them for that. Because they will give it to me straight, and you need people like that in your life.
Well, I would say all the best for the movie. A last message that you would like to give to your fans and for the upcoming movie, Vele.
I would just say on December 10th, please take your whole family. Because this is a thoroughly entertaining ride for your whole family. And I'm sure it will leave a smile on your face, and there are many twists and turns.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychuckers YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.